Hello, and welcome to another update on Doge. I'm here on the Dogecoin 1 hour time frame chart, and well, you can see that the market is currently holding above our wave 4 support zone here. I think in the last few updates we talked about the price, the potential for the price to find support here in the area between 20 cents and 21.7 cents. Well, support held, prices turned around, but today, as you would expect it for a Saturday, we have seen mainly sideways consolidation. That's okay. I mean, for those of you who've been following the updates, you guys know that the idea is that a wave 2 correction, I can actually change the wave degree here a little bit, that a wave 2 correction finished here in August, and that from there's been a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down, and that typically indicates the bulls, let's say, plan, motivation to send the price higher. Of course, nothing is carved in stone. There are no guarantees. But as long as we're holding the 78.6 retracement, that's typically what we're watching for if we have a 5-wave move up. So it would basically be within a so-called diagonal structure to the upside. But when we have a 5-wave move up and we get a 3-wave move down, then typically we would watch for a reaction to a certain support zone. These support levels are standard Fibonacci levels. They are based on our model that we use here. And a reaction to this zone would typically lead to the next upside impulse. Now, zooming out a little bit, if we then think about the next move up, which should be a C wave, A, B, C, the C wave itself is a 5-wave move. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. It would work out well. Basically, the wave 1 of that C wave could be unfolding right now. And well, if we then zoom in a little bit, we can see that basically today, the market has been consolidating above Fibonacci micro support, which is between 22.5 and 23.4 cents. It's possible that some kind of a triangle pattern is unfolding here. We do, as I said, we have a nice reaction to the lower support area, but it's only a 3-wave move up. So the next, let's say, objective for the bulls is to form a 5-wave move up. I can identify a wave 1, I can identify a wave 2 and a wave 3, and this could be a wave 4. Now, such a wave 4 can unfold as a triangle. It could also be a standard ABC structure or a more complex WXY structure. How exactly that correction is unfolding is basically impossible to say. Normally we track an ABC structure, could very well be the case, but it kind of starts to take shape here as a triangle. It's a bit too early to say and to confirm, but what is really important is, do the bulls show up before we see the market break below 22.5 cents. So it's the 50% retracement level there that really matters, and as long as it's holding, one more high could form here, and then we have a 5-wave move up, and again, that would be bullish. So the focus needs to be on that 22.5 cent level. We might not even test that level, but as long as we're holding above it, focus can be on higher prices. And here, the last swing high last swing high, yes, but also here, the last 2 swing highs really, the resistance line here at 24.3 cents is the next resistance level, and then above that, we've got 25.6 cents, which could actually be a target for this 5th wave. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.